Hey love, so today we're going to do a Revolution Beauty haul. I've picked up a ton of the new glitters and some other new fun stuff, so we are going to hop into that. But before we do, please give this video a thumbs up if you like Revolution Beauty videos and you want more. And please subscribe if you have not already so you don't miss any of my uploads. I do upload on my channel 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let's get into it. So very obviously, I don't have my weave in. It is weaveless day. We're just living. I feel very naked without my weave. This was like one of those hauls, I think it was right around like the $70 mark, but I still got a bunch of stuff and I got a bunch of their new stuff and I'm really excited for these new things. Okay, so first thing I grabbed is the glitter glue. I actually thought that I didn't order this, so I just ordered it again, because I just wanted to pick up some of their crushed pearl pigments. I don't know if those launched the same day as the glitters. I didn't see them on the website until I actually had to search crushed pearl pigments, and some of you guys that live over in the UK were like, Shannon, have you checked these out? They look so beautiful, or they all are so beautiful, or whatever. So for some reason I thought I didn't get this, so I just ordered it again. So maybe it'll be a giveaway. Maybe I will gift it to a family member or friend. I don't know, but we will see. So it's just a standard little glitter glue tube, 0.28 ounces. Is that normal? I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that at all, but like my little tube, I don't think you can even see it, but it's cracked. I don't know if that's a thing. It's not going to matter because it's not like this is going to actually be touching my face. It's just going to, I always put like a glue on the back of my hand and then put it on my lid. So we're going to test this with one of the loose glitters because I did pick up one of those. So I'm excited to try the glitter glue. I only picked up one loose glitter just because I usually like glitter palettes more, hint. But let's see. So this just comes in a little jar. It's got a little sifter. This one is the glitter bomb in Retrospect. Let's see if you can even, do you see all the different colors in there? I feel like it looks like a cupcake. It actually matches the glitter polish that's on my nails, so it does have little caps, so you can just kind of pop it in the lid. I'm going to swatch it with this glitter glue on the back of my hand. I like that the little sifter is really small, so you don't get like way too much at a time. I had to like really dump it a few times to get this much on there. Look at how beautiful that is. It literally looks like a pastel cupcake or something. Oh, it's so pretty. You can see. I love glitters where you can literally see all the different colors. Like I see purple, I see green, I see pink, I see gold. Anyway, so this is absolutely beautiful. I probably want to try a few more of their glitter bombs. I wasn't like, it's not normally something that I go for because there's so many different glitter palettes and glitter pastes and things that are much more convenient, but sometimes that is so cool. I just hope that you can really see how many colors are in there. Like, that's very unique. Not that I'm surprised, but I think it's really awesome that they did glitter in a different way. Like, yeah, there's so many different companies that have glitter. There's so many silver, there's so many gold. But the fact that there's something different like this, I don't know if I've seen something just like this from any other brand. I know I have something kind of similar, but it's not done as well as this one. I just love that you can literally see it's rainbow. It's rainbow. I love it. All right, so the next thing we're gonna talk about is one of the little glitter pastes. This is the packaging. I think this is really cute. This is obviously the gold one. Power Hungry. On the website, these look like they're huge. They look like the size of a unicorn snot. If you guys don't know what that is, it's unicorn snot. It's like a glitter paste. It's got a little seal on it. And I just kind of popped it open. Let me see where I popped it open. Because I thought maybe if I left a seal on there, it wouldn't dry out as fast. It is rather wet. I'm trying to say, I wonder if using a brush would be better than your finger, because you know how sometimes when you have a glitter like this, that is the glitter paste or glitter gel, and like the glitter looks really concentrated, then once you swatch it, like you can see it's pretty sparse. Like it looks very glittery, and that's still a ton of glitter, don't get me wrong, but like a lot of it's stuck to my finger. Does that make sense? I don't know. It's really cool. I like how the glitter particles on this guy is a little bigger. I think this is more meant for your face and body. I have seen plenty of people using it on their lids though as like a glitter liner. So I'm excited to try this. I definitely will use this in an upcoming video where I use it like as a glitter liner or something like that because I do want to try it. I think this guy was like $7 US. So I had to try one of those. I did order a silver one. It just isn't here yet. But I kind of want to order them all. I just want to order everything. I just want all the glitter. You guys know I love glitter. We'll break up this glitter fest with this guy. This is the new Violet Chocolate Bar palette, you guys. I've gotten more questions about this than any other palette ever. Are you gonna get it? What do you think? I'm wondering how it compares to the new Norvina palette. I'm sure because that one hadn't dropped yet that this can't really be a dupe of it, but it's an all purple palette and like, can I get this open? I do have to say this one, finally with this one, I can actually really smell the chocolate scent. I feel like most of the time with the chocolate palettes, you have to like dig in and actually like disrupt, like blend, disrupt, like, you know, like actually touch the palette, actually be using the palette in order to smell it. But I can smell a little bit of that chocolate scent without doing that. So this is what the inside of the palette, so pretty. Look at this really bright purple. Ooh, we're gonna have to do a look with this very soon. So we're just gonna swatch some of this palette really quick. If you guys want an entire video on this palette where I use it in a tutorial and swatch and everything, you just let me know. Ooh, that purple though. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, girl. You see the glitter in that. Ooh, girl. Look how pretty these are. Yes, yes, yes. So we will definitely be doing a tutorial with this palette soon. I was thinking, do you guys want one video about all the chocolate palettes, or do you want me to start doing a series where I a little more in depth of each palette and like what I think about it and review? Like, and do you want me just to do like a quick overview of all of them, or like individual videos, or like maybe 3 per video or something? The fact that there's always new ones, it makes it kind of hard to do them all in one video, because like as soon as I put that video up, it's going to be out of date again. So let me know what you guys think about that. Definitely ready for your input, whatever you guys think. But this palette is beautiful. I'm really, really excited about this one. I think it's going to be a really fun look to film. And again, I like the new design of these palettes where all of the shades are actually on the palette. They did take out the brush. So they took out the brush, but they did put the names on the palettes. And I think you got 2 more eyeshadows or something like that. I don't remember the exact details, but I know that it was redone with the last one, the nudes. I still need to do a tutorial and video on that one. Again, like they just pop out these palettes like nobody's business. So it's really hard to like keep up on these, but this is really pretty. So next are the glitter palettes. I picked up all 3 of them. Let's just start with this red one because I have it right here. What is this one? This one is Hot Pursuit. My only concern is like when they arrived, I did open them and all of the little glitter inside the pan. I'm sure it was just from all of the traveling, all of the different heat changes and weather changes, that they look like they were going to just like plop right out of there. So I'm not going to put this directly up. I'm going to try and show you guys as much as I can without, I'm so scared that they're going to fall out of there, which is kind of a downfall, but I mean, as long as you are careful with these, you're going to be fine. I do like that there's a mirror. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at these duochromes. Just look at this palette. How beautiful are these? Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm going to swatch some of these for you. And so what they are is they are a pressed glitter. Look at that duochrome. So I'm not sure how they're going to swatch without a base, but I'm guessing, oh, look at that. It's like, it's pink, it's green, it's pink, it's green. Dang, guys, look at that. Ooh, girl, girl. So that one is Inflamed, Fierce, and Burning Desire. So when you swatch them, they do look a little piecey. I probably would use a glitter glue, and I plan to use a glitter glue, but I think that if you want it to look like it does in the pan on your eye, you're gonna have to use a glitter glue. But if you just want like a little dusting of glitter, then you probably can just tap it on your lid. I assume these are formulated a lot like the Revolution Pro pressed glitters, which I actually really do love and have had success using them with a base or just like tapping it on the lid and with very minimal fallout. What's nice is there is some sort of like component in there that is going to make the glitter stick to your lid and stick together. But they feel like dry to the touch. Like when you touch them, you just feel glitter. Ignite, Passion, Fever. Ooh. So pretty. So we have Turidity, Sparks, and Fire. So I feel like pretty much all these palettes have at least 1 duochrome, if not 2. Let me just swatch these so you can see them. Or like a multicolored one, that bottom one. It's hard to tell, but it does have all different colors in the pan. So this one, again, is the glitter palette in Hot Pursuit. I would swatch them better. If you guys want like an in-depth video where I actually take time to like really swatch these and make them look beautiful, then I will. I'll try and do a review video once I start using them a little more, because I haven't actually used any of these glitters on my eyes yet. So again, that's what this guy looks like. I think my favorite one in this palette is definitely this duochrome. I'm gonna keep my little plastic thing in there. I do wonder if they'll dry out over time, but I still think if they do dry out, it's not a bad thing. Just use them with the glitter glue. There's just gonna be less of that stickiness. I think I'm actually most excited for this one, which is the Abracadabra palette. This is the one that has all of the fun shades. It's funny because like they were talking about how it looks so sophisticated and just like this is gonna be a super classy palette. Then it's like, bam! Not that glitter and colors can't be classy. Look at this. Do you see how beautiful this palette is? Oh, this one's really soft. Ah, guys, I love it so much. That just picked up a lot of glitter. This one is actually a much more smooth application. Look at that. Wow. So this one is Fortune Teller. Then we have Superstition and Alchemy. Weird. This one feels like, look how much smoother those are swatching. This one just feels maybe something about the formulation, maybe the other one. I don't know, guys, but I'm really digging this one. And then we have Witchcraft, Sorcery, and Lure. I kind of like how this is witchy themed. Oh, so pretty. Obsessed. Hocus Pocus is beautiful too. It looks like fuzzy. Is that weird? So this one is Illusion, Magic Act, Hocus Pocus. Hocus Pocus is pretty. I do think the Fortune Teller, that very first one, is my favorite. Not only in like formula, because look how smooth that is, but in the color as well, that kind of peachy gold. Oh, so pretty. I think this one is definitely obviously the most fun. When I ordered them, I thought this next one, the gold one, I thought this was going to be my number one. I thought this one was going to be the one I was most excited about. This is, I think, Midas Touch, M-I-D-A-S Touch. So fall, I think of like Thanksgiving. I think of just like fall leaves. I just think, oh, it's beautiful. What's weird about this one? Not weird, but what's different about this one is it's got like a matte glitter. Like I didn't really think that was a thing, but look at it. It's like, it's matte. There's no sheen to it. Like, am I missing a component? Is it supposed to be this way? It looks weird. It's a matte glitter. It's like, look at that. It doesn't look like anything. I don't know when I'm gonna ever use that. Cause like you can see all the glitter on my hand, but there's none of it. It literally just looks like a matte glitter. So maybe it'll be good for like a texture thing, maybe a Halloween tutorial. I don't know. That's the only one that's weird. Like, I don't know if you can see that. I just smushed it down, but like the entire pan of glitter like moves as I touch it. Oh, that's pretty. Lavish, magnificent, dripping in gold. Oh, those are so pretty. Ooh, those are pretty smooth too though. So, I don't know. Luxe, grand, and extravagant. Splendid shade, that matte weird one, is part of the bottom three. So these are the other two. This is fancy and precious. Look at precious, you guys. I just want to do like a really smoky eye and then just like tap this all over the lid. So good. Look at that. Duochrome glitter is like my favorite thing in the world. Okay, so there's a better shot at those. So pretty. So pretty. I'm probably most excited about Abracadabra and then this one. But I'm really excited about that loose glitter too. This one in Retrospect. I really want, I think it's Orion's Belt. I don't remember if I ordered it or not, but I need to if I haven't. All right, loves. Well, I think that is everything that I picked up on this haul. Again, it's not a very big haul, but it still was a pretty penny. That's how life goes. Let me know which of these guys you want to see in a video first. Which glitter palette do you want to see first? Or do you want me to try out one of these? Let me know down below. I'm probably going to film that 100% Revolution tutorial next week. Let me know down below, like vote for like whatever your favorite palette is that you want me to use in the video. What products do you want to see? Just let me know. Just let me know. Get at your girl. And also thank you to everyone that voted on my Instagram poll about what kind of makeup look you wanted to see today. Yeah, well, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could. Make sure to subscribe if you are into Revolution Beauty because it's one of my absolute favorite brands. I can't speak. One of my absolute favorite brands. There are always Revolution Beauty videos here on my channel. I have a playlist with over 50 videos currently on my channel. I'll definitely link that in the cards and down below so you guys can check it out. But yeah, I'm super excited about all of this stuff. I cannot wait to try this palette. I can't wait to try these glitters on my face. All the things. Yeah. All right. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Did I already say please subscribe if you haven't already? Videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday? I don't know. Well, I love you guys so much. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Hey, loves. So today we are going to talk about makeup. Oh, sorry. Obviously, we're going to talk about makeup, but of course. Guess what, guys? My nails are atrocious. Nothing new. Girl, I love me some glitter. Sorry, that'll be really fussing with my hair even more now because it's short and it's weird. This is weird. Luna? Luna, there's glitter. There's glitter. Do you, she's climbing. Okay. Okay, keep going. Don't knock over the mic. Don't knock over the mic. I got you. Got you. Teamwork. Oh, she just knocked everything off. This girl. You don't know how. You don't know how. You're so sweet. You always, now she always has to make an appearance. Now that I've let the kittens into this room, this is now their room. So I definitely leave this in and up. Do you ever just like have so much cat hair on your face? Because you just can't not. Whew. I just got like 2 pieces. Like there's a tweak in my hair. I'm covered in glitter. Covered. And there are always Revolution Beauty videos. I talk too fast sometimes.